As we step into 2025, it's time to reflect on the transformative year of 2024. It was marked by significant shifts in politics, economics, and technology. Donald Trump's return to the U.S. presidency stirred questions about international relations, while inflation eased, aiding economic recovery, particularly in the tech sector. Globally, the Israel-Hamas conflict highlighted ongoing tensions in West Asia. Europe faced an energy crisis but made strides towards renewable energy adoption. These events underscored the complex political landscape, with major powers like the US, China, and the European Union focusing on trade and sustainability. The Paris Olympics brought the world together, showcasing human skill and technological innovation in sports. Meanwhile, breakthroughs in artificial intelligence and green energy sparked excitement and debate over regulatory frameworks. These developments set the stage for a year of potential progress and collaboration. In 2025, technology is poised to drive change. Artificial intelligence and quantum computing are expected to revolutionize industries, while advancements in healthcare, such as precision medicine, promise solutions to global health challenges. Space exploration with commercial travel continues to inspire new frontiers. This year holds promise, particularly in innovation and collaboration. Initiatives like green infrastructure and climate finance discussed at COP29 aim to combat climate change. The upcoming COP30 will be crucial for nations to commit to meaningful climate actions, fostering hope for a sustainable future. As Nicholas Badminton notes, 2025 could be a year of hope and progress. With economic recovery, technological advancements, and global cooperation, let's embrace this year with optimism and a commitment to growth.